Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Madhyama Bharat Mila 5th lesson Mantra ka Shadyantra. Mantra is plotting a plan. Mantra is making a conspiracy. She is trying to joining with somebody and making a bad idea to do a wrong thing. कैकेयी दशरथ की छोटी रानी थी. So Kaikeyi was the wife of Dashrath. She was younger wife of Dashrath. दशरथ अपनी छोटी रानी को बहुत प्यार करते थे. So he used to like Kaikeyi very much. Dashrath king used to like his wife Kaikeyi very much. Mantra Kaikeyi की प्यारी दासी थी. So Mantra was the servant of Kaikeyi and she was a lovable maid of Kaikeyi. Mantra was a lovable maid of Kaikeyi. मंत्रा कुबड़ और कुटिल स्वभाव की थी. She was very funny and a bad person. मंत्रा कुबड़ और कुटिल स्वभाव की थी. So Mantra was having her humpback on her back and she was a crooked character and cunning lady. राज तिलक की तैयारी की बात सुनकर मंत्रा ईर्ष्या करने लगी. The preparation and arrangement for coronation ceremony, that is making a person king, was getting ready, and hearing this Mantra became very jealous. ईर्ष्या means jealous. वह सीधे कैकेयी के पास गई और बोली. She went to Kaikeyi and said, directly went to Kaikeyi and Mantra said to her, रानी राम राजा बनेगा तो उसकी माता कौशल्या राजमाता बनेगी और तुम उसकी दासी. See Kaikeyi, if Ram is going to become the king, then Kaushalya Mata will become the Rajmata. She will have more powers and she'll be very close to the king Dashrath and you will become her servant. So she is warning Kaikeyi. तुम्हारा लाडला पुत्र भरत राम का गुलाम बनेगा. So your lovable son Bharat will become a slave of Ram. क्या यह तुम चाहती हो? You want only this? Do you deserve this? All that she is saying to Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi मंत्रा की बात सुनकर पहले गुस्से में आई. First, Kaikeyi was getting little wild and getting angry on Mantra servant. लेकिन उसका जादू कैकेयी पर छल गया. Then slowly Kaikeyi started thinking as Mantra said and the magic of Mantra fell on Kaikeyi. उसने अपने पुत्र को युवराज पद दिलाने का उपाय पूछा. Then she asked Mantra, then tell me how to make my son as the prince. मंत्रा ने कहा, एक बार राजा दशरथ ने तुमको 2 वर देने का वादा किया था. So see here Kaikeyi, hope you remember that Radha Dashrath has given you 2 boons so that you can ask him anytime and he will do it for you. अब तुम महाराज से दोनों वर मांगो. Now you ask Raja the two boons. एक वर्ष से राम के लिए 14 साल का वनवास, दूसरे से भरत का राज तिलक मांगो. So for one boon you ask Ram to go to jungle and forest for 14 years. And in second boon you ask the prince to be Bharat. You ask coronation and making your son Bharat as a king. Kaikeyi ने गंदी साड़ी पहन ली. Hearing this, Kaikeyi thought definitely she will ask all these things to her husband Dashrath, King Dashrath. Then Kaikeyi started wearing a dirty sari. Gandhi sari means dirty sari. सारे आभूषण उतार दिए. She removed all the jewelry. गुस्से में महाराज दशरथ के आने की प्रतीक्षा करने लगी. So she was very angry, and in this state she was waiting for King Dashrath to come. So this is the fifth lesson, Mantra ka Shadyantra, where the servant Mantra is plotting a cunning plan and asking Kaikeyi to use her boons, and this is the opportunity for Kaikeyi to do something good for herself and her son Bharat. This is what the servant or the maid Mantra suggests to Kaikeyi. Thank you for watching. For the lessons of Bharat Milap, you can go through my YouTube playlist. Happy learning. Thank you.